So today we have to learn the control statement, right? We just saw the if. What is meant by if and the else. So when if block will be executed?
Condition is true.
When condition is true, that time if blocks will be executed. When else block will be executed?
Else false.
When condition is false, else block will be executed. Simple, right? A program normally executes from the top to bottom. If we see the program, this program will be executed from top to bottom. From here to here, it will execute like that, right? But if you want to control the statement, so like if you want to, if I want to print this statement, if my condition will be true, okay? If I want to print this statement, if my condition will true, so that time we will use the control statement. Otherwise, if you want to print this statement multiple times, that time also we will use the control statement. Okay, so we are seeing first one, that is the if and the else. So we saw the if and the else, and we are on the else if. So when else if will be used?
Multiple times.
If you want to check the multiple condition, that time we will use the else if. Okay, so this is the first condition, this is the second condition, and this is the third condition. Suppose I am writing here the 0. Now what will be the condition? What will be the execution? Else if.
Yes statement.
Output. Tell me the output.
Yes statement.
0. That pro is saying positive number. Okay. So how many for the 0? How many for the positive numbers? How many for the negative number? No one is there for negative number. Okay. How many for the positive number?
You are there, na positive.
Okay. And how many for the 0? Everyone has it both sides. Okay. Three sides. Three. Okay. See, we will print that. So 0 will be print on the console. Why? If it will check first condition, 0 is greater than 0, condition is true or false. 0 is greater than 0. I am writing here. See, 0 is greater than 0. Condition true or false? False, right? So it will ignore this condition. It will come here. It will check this condition. That is 0 is less than 0. So this condition is true or false? False. It will ignore this block also, and it will come to the else block. Means if both the statement, okay, if all the if or else if block will be false, that time else block will be executed. So this time this block is also false, this block is also false. So what it will do? It will execute this condition, that is the 0. So this is the use of our else if if we want to check the multiple condition, that time we use the else if. And how it will work? See, if we see the flow chart, this is our flow chart for the if else if. So how it will do? It will check the first condition. If that first condition will true, it will print the statement. Okay, it will print the statement. If this condition will false, it will go to the another condition. If this condition will false, it will come to the another block. Okay, and if that condition is also false, so it will come to the else block. Okay, after that in last it will come to the else block. And what is the syntax? Same like if else. Okay, but here it have else and if, and there is a condition, same like that. Okay, so this is the if else if. And why we are using? If you want to check the multiple condition, if you want to check the multiple condition, that time we will use the else if. Okay, same like that. If this condition will true, it will execute this. Okay, suppose I am taking here the -1, -10. So this time what will be the output?
If else. Else statement.
If else. Okay, what the if else?
Second statement. Else.
Which one, positive or negative?
Negative.
So we will check here. Okay, so what is the first one? That is the -10. -10 is greater than 0. Condition is true or false?
False.
False or true?
False.
Seriously, no? Okay, so here is the false. Okay, it will check the another condition, that is the -10 is less than 0. So condition is true or false?
True.
True. So where it will come? Inside the LC block, and it will execute negative number. See, if I run this one, it will execute negative number. Okay, it will execute negative number. After that, same like that, we have another statement, that is the nested if. Okay, we have another one, that is the nested if. Nested if means what? That is the if we will write if inside the if. Okay, if we write if within the if, that is called as the nested if. Okay, that is called as nested if. So how we will write that? Simply we will come here, and I will remove this one, this all the things. Okay, simple. If you want to write the nested if, simply each. We will make one program. if age is greater than equals to 18. Okay, greater than equal to we will write here. If age is greater than equals to 18, then it will come to the inside and it will print this one. That is the age is
Valid.
valid. Okay, age is valid, it will print. Now, if I run this one, what will be the output? Nothing, or age is valid? Nothing is printing. For that, what we need to write? Else block. If that condition will false, means we have to write the else block. So simply we will come here and we will print here system dot out, and simply we will print here age is invalid. Okay, age is invalid. But this is a normal if, right? This is a normal if. We want to write the nested if. So how we will write that? We have to write if inside the if. Okay, so inside if we will write the another condition. Suppose I am declaring another variable here, that is int weight. Weight equals to 30 we are writing. Okay, if weight equals to 30, and simply I am writing another if here. If weight is greater than equals to 35, then only system dot out. Okay, so what will be the output now? Age is invalid. This if this inside if we have right. So when this will be executed?
Another statement.
If this outer if will be condition true, that time only it will execute the inside if, right? If this outer if will be true, that time only it will execute the if, right? Suppose if we take the example like that. Okay, suppose we have a home like that. This is the home. Okay, this is the door, and inside that we have a like that. This is the door, and inside that we have a one lock. This is a one lock, and inside that we have a another lock. Okay, inside that we have another lock. We are checking for the first lock. Okay, fingerprint. Suppose fingerprint, this is a fingerprint. If our fingerprint matches with the first lock, so it will come to the another one, right? First it will check the outer fingerprint. Outer, for the outer lock it will check the fingerprint, and another means after that, if this condition will be true, it will check for the inner lock, right? First it will check for the outer lock, and after that it will check for the inner lock, right? Same like that. If this condition will false here, so it will come to the this block or not? No, no, no. So if this condition will be true, that time only it will enter to the E block, right? It will come inside the E block. Otherwise, it will not come to the E block, right? Suppose I am taking here the 20 equals to 20. I am taking now. Now what will be the output? Age is valid. After that, you are eligible. It will not print. You are eligible.
No.
See, we will check the condition. First, it will check to the if block. Outer if block, it will check. This is the outer if block. Okay, this is the outer if block, and this one is the inner if block, because we wrote this if block inside this if block, right? So we can say that this is inner if block and this is the outer if block. So it will check the condition for the outer if block. So what is the value of age here? That is the 20. 20. 20, and what is our condition? Greater than equals to 18. This condition is true or false? True. This condition is true, means it will come to the E block. Inside the E it will come, and it will print age is valid. Again it will come to the E block here. E block, we have E block, so it will check for that. So it will check here. E block weight is greater than equals to 35. So what is the value of weight? 30 is greater than equals to 35. So condition is true or false here? False. So it will print anything? No. It will come to this block. That is this L block. It will come. It will come or not? Come or not? How many for the age is invalid will be print?
Output only parts only will come to else black.
Age is valid, it will print, or age is invalid also it will print?
Only age is valid.
Why? Because but this condition is false, so it will not come to this block.
The first output is false only will come to else black.
See, this for this if we have write the this else block, right? For this, if we have not wrote any else block, right? If this condition will false, that time only this else will be executed. Okay, this else will be executed. This for the outer if. This else is for the outer. If. To write the else for this if means what we need to do? Simply we have to write here. Inside we have to write the else block. Okay, simple here we have to write the else block, and here we will write weight is invalid. Okay, simple we will write. Now what will be the output?
Wait is
Age is valid, weight is invalid.
Age is valid and weight is invalid. So it will come here, right? It will come here. It will check the condition 20 is greater than equals to 18. Condition is true or false? True. So it will come here inside the E block and it will print system.out.println and age is valid. Age is valid. It will print on the console. After that, it will check the E block, right? It will check the another E block. What is the value of weight here? 30 is greater than equals to 35. So condition is true or false? When condition is false, where it will go?
Else block.
It will come to the else block and it will print weight is invalid. Now we will take the weight is 50. 50. What will be the output? Age is valid, na? And after that, you are eligible. It will print or not? See, we will check the condition. First, it will check this condition, right? It will check this condition. What is the value of age?
20.
20. 20 is greater than equals to 18. So condition is true or false? This time it is also true. After that it will check the, after that it will print age is valid. After that it will come to the another if block. Weight is greater than equals to 35. What is the value of weight? 50. So 50 is greater than equals to 35. So condition is true or false? False or true? True. So where it will come inside E block or S block? S block or E block? If this condition is true, it will come to the E block again and it will print you are eligible, right? You are eligible, it will print. If this condition false means it will come to the this else block. If this condition will false means it will come to the this else block, right? Now we will try to run this one. We will see what will be the output. Age is valid and you are eligible. No, there are two conditions. 50 either 50 is greater than 35 or it equals to 35.
If any one condition
It's true, then it will true. Okay, so this is the thing. After that, we will if we make this as a 2, age is 2. I am entering this time. So what will be the output? Age is invalid. It will not come to the this E block. When this inner E block will be executed. When outer if will be true, that time only this inner if will be executed. Otherwise, this will be not executed. This is all about the nested if. Nested if means if inside the if. When we write if within the if, that is called as the nested if. If I ask you about the nested for means for within the for, that is called as the nested for. We will see that tomorrow. Okay, so this is the all about the if, else if, and the nested if. So anyone have any doubt till here? Here, no, same like that, no. If I remove this one, means no, we cannot. Here, this is the inner if, no. This is the inner if. This one, if you kept outside, see. I will tell you. We will give that, no? Like a if else if. But it will check the condition, both the condition it will check. If this condition will true, no, so again it will check to the this condition. Okay, this is called as the ladder if. Okay, so see, this is called as the ladder if. So inside that, what it will do, if this condition will be true, no, so it will come to the another if also. Okay, if condition is true, so it will not bypass this one. It will check this condition also. Okay, if this condition will be true, so it will check this condition also. Means if you have multiple conditions, so it will check all the condition. Inside the LC block, what is happening? If this condition will true, it will execute that condition. It will not come to the another if, like that, right? But inside the if, suppose if here also we are writing if, here also we are writing if. So what it will do? It will check this condition also. This condition also it will check. This all the condition will be false. So it will come to the else block.
If the first condition is true means it will not also be true.
Else statements will go wrong. If any condition will go.
First if
Yeah.
the first statement is true means automatically it will go to the statement.
No, it will check this condition also. Yes, bro. This is the ladder. No, but this is called as the ladder. If no.
First condition
Top to
is
bottom.
directly if condition will execute. Don't check second and third condition.
It will check. In else if it will not check. Inside the if it will check.
Right now this condition first
See,
condition
we will do now. We will do. Okay. So if I run this one, see, you are eligible. It is printing. Means this one is it is printing. Okay. This is wrong. No, this time.
this is like the age is 20.
Where?
Yeah, that you can mention as 20.
Okay.
Now you can run.
20 is greater than equals to true, right?
Yes.
Means 20 is greater than equals to 18 means this is a true and this is also true, right?
Yes.
This is also true and both are the true. Now this time age is invalid and you are eligible. Both are printing. See, this one is also printing and this one is also printing. Means it is checking all the condition. If I write here the else if, see, if I write here the else if, so what we will do with this time? See, age is valid. Means if this is true, no, so this time it will surpass all the things. It will bypass all the things. Means whatever things are there, it will bypass these things. Okay, this is the difference between the ladder if and the else if. Okay, anyone have any doubt till here? Okay, so this is all about the if, else if and the nested if. Okay, can we learn switch also, or tomorrow we will learn? Tomorrow we will learn. Okay, this is more for today.
Else if condition, you mentioned else if condition, the weight is mentioned is 20 or 25.